Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to cover Google Forms. Google Forms are used to create online surveys, quizzes, registration forms for your PhD work or for your institutes. Now we'll look at how to create Google Forms. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to write Google Forms over the Google search page. Like this. And we have to click on the very first link we get. Now you have to click on the go to Google Forms option. Actually, you don't need any another account. You just have to log in using your Gmail Gmail ID and the password. So here I am going with my ID and my password. You can see this. Now you can see there are various templates available here and we can choose any of them as per our requirement. So here you can see there are many other options also, but I am going with the blank one. So here it is. On the very top, you can add the form name or the form title. I am writing the sample form. Here it is. And I can add the description in the next box over here. Here I am writing. I am writing it is for demo purpose only. So here it is. Now you can add the questions over here. Here you can add your questions. So my first question is enter email ID. So my first question is to enter the email ID and I'm enabling this enable email collecting setting. So it will collect all the email addresses over here. Now you can add another question from here. So I'm adding the next question. Enter name. So this is my next question. Here I can get a template or here I'm getting an icon of where it is written short answer. By clicking over a small arrow over, I'm getting more options from here. And from here I can choose the different question type which I can use in my form. For example, a short answer type question or a paragraph or a multiple choice as per my requirement. So enter name requires a short answer. So I'm going with the short answer. So here it is. Here, if you want to make this field or this question compulsory to attempt, you can use this required option from here. By enabling this, the audience will not be able to skip this question. And we are getting two other more options over here. One is the duplicate and other is the delete. From the duplicate option, you can create a similar question like this. And from the delete option, you can delete this question. So let's see, by clicking on the duplicate, I'm getting a same question, same like question over here also. I can just change the question. So I can delete this also by clicking on the delete option. You can see like this. So just let's create another question over here. Here it is. My next question would be, which age group do you belong? My next question. I can make it a multiple choice question or a paragraph or a short paragraph. So I'm making it a multiple choice question. So here it is. My first option is less than 20 years. My next option is 20 to 30 years. My next is 30 to 40 years. And my fourth option is above 40. So you can see I have created a multiple choice question. You can actually import questions, images, videos from the different sources as per your requirement from here. There are many other options available over here. You can import question from here or a text or a description from here. You can add image from here and a YouTube and a video from here. So there are many features of this Google form. Now let's create another question with this help. So here it is. So my next question So my next question here, I will be using an image based question. So my question is, identify the following component of the computer. You can see like this. So you can upload an image from here. Here I can browse my image. So I'm getting my image from here. Here there is image of mouse. I'm opening it. Now you can see the image has been uploaded. My image of mouse has been uploaded over here. So my first option is I'm going with mouse. My next option is keyboard. Keyboard. My third option is joystick. My fourth option is I'm getting my fourth option is monitor. So here I got an MCQ type question from here. So here my image got uploaded and I got an MCQ type of question. So I can add another question from here. My next question is the Prime Minister of India. And I hope everybody knows who is the Prime Minister of India. And if I'm not wrong, Mr. Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister. So I'm getting it a multiple choice question from here. My first option is Narendra Modi, which is correct one. My next option is Pratibha Patil. My third option is Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi. And my fourth option is Amit Shah. This is how you can create an MCQ based question. Now I am adding my sixth question over here. Which of the following is an Indian cricketer? Actually, everyone has a great interest in the cricket, so I'm getting a question of related to Indian cricket. So which of the following is an Indian cricketer? So I'm going with the options now. So my first option over here is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli. My next option is Rohit Sharma. Next option is MS Dhoni. And my fourth option is all of above. So this is how you can create the forms over here. You can see I have created I have given the 6 questions in my form. So you can add as much as you can. So the next thing we are going to do is to customize a theme or the background. Here you can choose an image to your to the header. Actually, you can upload it from the gallery over Google Forms over here, or you can upload it from your PC. So I'm getting my image from my PC. So let's go with it. So I'm getting my image over here. Here you can get an option of cropping your image also. So here I can crop my image over here. You can see I have cropped my image like this. So it's done. So it's been applied. Now you can see that the image has been uploaded to the header of this form. Now you can change the theme color as per your requirement. I'm getting with this dark green like shade, and you can change the background color also. I'm getting it a little bit darker, and you can change the font style also. I'm getting with this playful, which has something different like of look. So this is how you can change the theme of your form like this. You can see like this. Next, you can actually preview your form from here. before submitting or before sharing it with other. So you can preview it from here. You can see here, this is my sample form. This is how you can also create your own forms as for all your requirement. Now you can see that the submit button, from here the people can submit the form. So let's get back to the form and do something more. Now you can change the default settings from here. Here the on the general you can say collect email addresses. From here you can collect the email addresses of your audiences. Next is response receipt. It means if a respondent asks for the copy of the response, they can also get. There are two options, either always or if the respondent requests for. I'm going with the always option. Next you can see that's a require sign in option. Here you can limit the response, which means one email ID can give one response only. So I'm limiting it to the one response. Next is respondent scan. Here you can change the authority given to the respondents. Here you can give authority to the respondent to edit also, edit after submission or not. Or they will be able to see their summary chart or the text responses. So here you can edit some changes, edit some default settings. Now we can go to the presentation. From here you get a two option, either to show a progress bar or the shuffle question order. By clicking on the show a progress bar, you are allowing the users to see their progress. And next option is a shuffle question order. So you can shuffle question order to the different people or the different audiences. So I am getting this also. Next is quizzes. From here, you can actually make this form as a quiz by just enabling this option. So here you can see, here release grade. What does this release grade mean? It means the value points which are assigned to the question are for a correct answer basically. So immediately after each submission or later or manual review, you can choose any of them. So next is what a respondent can see, which means what our audience after submitting their question, their form, they can see their missed questions, their correct answer, their point values. So here you can change some default settings by just clicking on the save icon. So just save it. Now the new settings has been allowed to you. So here you can see. Now you just have to click on the send icon. You can send via email or the link provided. You just have to add the email addresses over here and to share them, and you can add the link over here. You can see there are different links over here. You can just copy it and share it with your audience or the users or the audience. You just have to copy it by using the control keys. You can copy, it's control C. And in the new tab, you can see I have copied this over here. And now you can see. So this is my form. This is the form I have created just right now in front of you. So just let's try it out. Address, just let's write an email address. Email addresses, let's give it to out my Gmail address. Next question is, which age group do you? Let's go to the next question. Which age group do you belong? Name, I'm getting this. Now name the Prime Minister of India. Let's just Narendra Modi. Now let's go to the next question. Identify the following component of the computer. It's a mouse, you can see. Which of the following is an Indian cricketer? You can see all of above are the Indian cricketer. Now enter your name. I'm entering my name. So you can see it's Summit over here. It's Summit. Now you can see that I haven't added the points to my question, so it's not been not no points have been allotted to me. So I can assign the points from the starting point over here. By here it is, I can add the points from the questions from here. For example, by clicking on this, add an answer key over here. You can choose the correct answer. I'm giving my correct answer is 20 to 30 and the points allotted to this question is 5. You can see and click on the done. So here you can add the answers or you can add the value points. So let's go to the next question. Here you can see, let's add the answer key to this. So here is the answer key. So the points I am correcting, it's over 5. Now, and the correct answer is mouse. So it's done. Now let's go to the third question. Here it is. So I'm getting the answer key. Narendra Modi. And the value points is 5. Now it's done. Now next question is, which of the following is an Indian cricketer? All of, I have to get answer key. All of them are Indian cricketer. So all of above and my points are value points. Then it's done. Now you can see that I have edited my form from here. So this is how you can send it to others. Now let's just send, or you can send it via email or the link shared. You can just have to write the email addresses over here, or you can just select this link and just copy it and just share them. Let's try again. Let me show you whether it works or not. So here you can fill out this form only once. Try contacting the owner for a view score. Let me see. I got a score of 20 to 20 because I have got the quiz done. So you can see here over here. After editing, I can view my scores also. So it can be easily visible from here. So this is from earlier it was 0 to 0 because I haven't edited the value points. But now after editing, you can see my total points are 20 out of 20. It means I have edited the questions. Now let's get back to our form over here. You can also shorten the URL by just clicking on this icon. So my URL has been shortened and I can share it with my audience so that they can easily fill out this form. So now you can see the responses over here. You can see that only one response, and average point is 20 out of 20, and the median is 20, and the range is 20 to 20 points. So you can see my graphs and my scores and my Gmail ID and my name and bar graphs just to show the progress. You can see over here. Now you can actually create a spreadsheet using this by clicking on this option, create a new spreadsheet, and click on the option create over here, and it will direct you to a spreadsheet or an Excel-like based sheet over here. You can see my email address, my score, my name, and the answer to the different questions. You can see over here. Now I can download this file from here. I can download in different formats, whether it is an Excel file, open document format, or a PDF format. You can choose any of them from here. I'm going with Microsoft Excel format. So here it is. I'm writing its sample form spreadsheet. You can see like this. It's been downloaded over here. You can see over here. Now getting back to just to explore other options. So now on these three options, these three dots, you can explore many different options from here also. The first different feature is get email notification for every response. It means that owner or the creator of this form will get an email notification for all the new responses or for all new form fill outs. You can see over here. You can also download the responses from here and print the responses from here and delete all responses from here. Here are the different features or some other features of this Google form, and you can check it out. This is, and now I think you all are excited to create your own forms. So I must not waste your time. So this is not an end. There are many more features which are yet to be explored. So keep practicing and create your own Google form. And if you have any confusion or doubt or any query, you can contact us. So thank you guys for listening me so patiently, and all the best, and create a great Google form yourself. Thank you.